Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hannah. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. Please go ahead and click that subscribe button and let's get started with today's video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this unique Valentine wreath using Dollar Tree items. So I'm going to take this love sign, which is pressed wood from the Dollar Tree, and this blush pink paint that I got from Walmart, and I'm going to paint this entire wood sign pink. Then I'm going to top it off with some Mod Podge and use some iridescent glitter, honey, to bling it out. Yes. So I'm going to do that real quick and I'll be right back. Alright ladies, so this is where I'm going to add my Mod Podge at. I'm pretty much just going to coat these letters down with this Mod Podge, and I want to make sure that I have plenty of it on there. You don't want to overdo it, but you want enough Mod Podge on there so that it can grab that iridescent glitter that we're going to sprinkle on here next. And I'm going to work this in using 2 letters at a time because Mod Podge does dry fairly quickly, and I want to get that iridescent glitter on there and let it stick and bond to these letters. So I'm going to do the L and the O, and then I'm going to sprinkle down the iridescent glitter on top of it, and then I'm going to finish off with the V and the E. Moving on. So this is my collection for the next step. These are the items that you will need. I have one of these gorgeous little fuzzy monkeys from the Dollar Tree. You guys, they come in different colors, pink, red, and white, I do believe. I have some love ribbon from the Dollar Tree as well as some roses, all from the Dollar Tree, you guys. And then from the Christmas section of the Dollar Tree, I got this wreath right here. Now they do still have a little bit of Christmas stuff left in most Dollar Trees for 50% off, but the pickings is slim. Okay, so anyway, I am going to take this ribbon and I'm just going to wrap it around this wreath, and then I'm going to glue it down. Okay, my friends, now this is where we're going to close that ribbon together with a little bit of hot glue. We're just going to glue it down to the rim of the wreath, and then we're going to glue the ribbons together. Simple, honey, simple. And now we're going to get our cute little fuzzy friend, our little monkey, and we are going to remove the tags from the side of him and the tag for the purchase. So we're going to take all of that off, you guys, and then we're going to figure out which style that you want to use for your wreath. There's 2 ways you can place your monkey on this wreath, and I'm going to share both of them with you. So the first way is using his hands, which they do have a little bit of Velcro on them so that they can stick together, which is why I absolutely love this look. That's why I say it's so unique and so adorable. And we're just going to put the arms behind its back, like the wreath behind its back basically, and we're going to velcro the hands together, and he looks just like this. So that's look number 1. Now look number 2, which is the look that I chose to go with, is where we kind of make him look like he's hugging the side of the wreath. I do not have a vision of adding those florals to the side of that wreath, so it looks like he's holding a bouquet of flowers. Cute, right? So anyway, we're going to get him settled in here. I'm going to place these flowers down just to see if I'm liking the vision that I'm getting, and so I'm going to show you guys how it looks from my vision point of view, and then I'm going to just glue everything down. Now honey, this bling is totally optional, but I thought that it was a cute adding piece to bling it up and to kind of glam it a little bit. You know I like that bling, y'all. So anyway, it is the adhesive gems. You can also grab them from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just plucking them off, and I'm just kind of sticking them on here, but later on I do glue them down to make them permanent. And then I'm going to take a strip of the diamond ribbon wrap, you guys. I will leave a link to that in the description box. I do purchase mine now from Totally Dazzled, and you guys, that bling is really dazzleable. Like it shines, like no lie. So anyway, I will leave a link for you to grab you some of that bling in the description box. Okay, it's an affiliate link. So I'm going to go ahead and just glue this little bling down and give her a little blinged out headband. I think it is so cute. So once I get all of that done, she's settled in her wreath. I'm going to share with you guys how it all looks. Now this is a wreath that you can place on your door. You can also place it inside your home. Totally up to you guys. But before I even show you the reveal, we have got to add this wreath to the love sign that we painted and bedazzled earlier with the iridescent glitter, if you guys remember. So I'm going to take some red ribbon. This is just some red ribbon that I just had on hand. You can use whatever color you want, and I'm just going to cut 2 strips of this ribbon, and I am going to glue it to the back of the love sign, and then I'm going to take the other part of that and I'm going to glue it to the wreath so that it is all one unit. You guys will totally see what I'm talking about right now. Okay, OMG, look at her, look at her, look at her. Isn't she so adorable? I absolutely love the way that this unique Valentine's wreath turned out, you guys. Like, I absolutely love unique decor, unique DIYs, and just making things to have in my home to showcase that the average person doesn't have, because you can't purchase this in the store, you know what I'm saying? So I absolutely love crafting and sharing with you guys unique ways to create wonderful pieces. Okay, and I hope that you enjoyed it and appreciate it. If you do, then go ahead and give me a like. Smash that like button, you guys. Give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new and you have not yet subscribed, or if you're just an oldie but good and just haven't clicked that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Go on and smash that subscribe button today, you guys. Go on and join our family here at Hanna Watkins TV, we would absolutely love to have you here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope, as always, I have inspired you guys. And be blessed, and I hope you guys will come back really soon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.